check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm opening 3 packs of Topps 21 Series 1. Let's see what kind of buried treasure we'll find. Let's get a cool card. There you go. So, I don't know much about these players at all, so if you do, let me comment section, let me know. Start getting baseball again. My injuries, start getting some good habits of, things over my life. I get like very tense, very tense. Well, that's cool at the Wrigley Field. Oh, that's cool. Brooks Robinson, yeah, plays his whole career with the Orioles. That's cool. Twins. Colorado Rockies. Brett Gardner. For some reason I have tons of this guy's cards. Next pack. Yeah. Sandy, my phone will focus on me. Oh, it's cool. Future star. Who's your future star? Like really tense. The other future star. Sorry about the lighting. Will Smith, he's like a young guy in his pictures. Should be in high school still, in pictures. I don't know how he is, maybe I can still get checked for IDs. Oh, cool. King Carolina Lewis. Not much by this guy, but it's cool to have. Albert Bill, he's with Dodgers, could be his last year. Or maybe he's trying to play enough games, go to 700, how long it take him. There you go. Thank you. And the last pack. The fighter. Rookie guy. Look young and happy. Crawford. He's had a good year this year. The Giant. Could be his last, who knows. Probably he'll try to be smart enough to keep him. Slate in gold. That's kind of cool. Look at the crazy hair. That's cool, Paul Bearden. And last card. So, a couple good cards. Like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Hope I do better next time. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Yay!